Hey guys, it's KyleB61000 here, back with another Hockey Ultimate Team video. And I know I haven't done one in about a month. I've been really busy lately, so I'm sorry about the lack of uploads. And in this video, I'm going to show you my team update, and I'm going to I'm going to show you my team update. I'm going to review the team of the week, and I'm going to upload, and I'm going to open 4 gold packs at the store, okay? So first I'll start with my team. So, Rick Nash stays the same, and same with Gabrick, but I got a Claude Giroux, which is very good. Then I Kipper, and I got Ben Bishop Star of the Week. He is really good. He is as good as they say. And then, so I moved Krejci down to the second line, and then it's Booth and Simmons with Bolsherman and Niskanen. And then Marlowe, Thornton, and I picked up Phil Kessel. He's really good, with Edler and Girardi. And then my last line my fourth line is Gagne, Richards, and Pavelski, who I'm either going to get a Hossa or a Perry to get that last spot. So these two are really good together, Richards and Gagne, especially Richards. He's really good. Okay, so that's my team. Here's the team of the week for this week. It's the All-Star team of the week, I think. So it's Chris Kunitz, 88. Crosby, 95 Crosby, which was a sick card. 93 Ovechkin, what a card there too. With Ryan Suter and PK Subban, with the 89 Bobrovsky, with King Henrik Lundqvist backup. Oh, that's a sick card. I'd like to get that. Then Taylor Hall, 89. Jonathan Taves. That's a really cool card too. And Mark St. Louis, Moshman, who I already have, and Letang, Star of the Week, 91. He'd be sick to get too. On my team, I also bought a Patrick Sharp, but he's not fitting on my team right now. He will later though. So I'm looking for Letang to come down to this spot. So play Letang for Nuff on first line, and then I'd get a Chara to play in Bolsherman's spot, and then Carlson would come down here. And then I'd have Edler, and I think I'm going to get either a Tyler Myers or a Pietrangelo. Okay, so now let's do the gold packs. Because it says these are available in gold packs. So I'm not going to open any premium gold jumbos. I'm just going to open 4 of these gold packs. Because I really want to get a Star of the Week. Fire Giroux, first pack. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Come on, give me something good. Please, 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 please. And we got crap. Ah, shoot. Generation 5 and change team Ottawa. And the Pittsburgh jersey. Ah, shoot. Quick sell. No, I don't want a quick sell all. So what am I going to keep? The Pittsburgh jersey might sell. It's disappointing. I'll keep. Here, this one. I'll trade these. Quick sell him. I already have him, so I'll quick sell him. And I'll quick sell these 2 jerseys. And I'll keep the rest. Okay, bad start, but you know, you can't get much worse than that. So we'll see. Okay, let's go with someone. No, not Fire Giroux again. No, not Lundqvist. Not Henrik. I always go for the Fire cards. Not Henrik. Kessel? Okay, we'll do one with Kessel. Here goes another 5K. Please give me someone good. Please, please. Please, Star of the Week, please. Oh my gosh, you've got to be kidding me. Oh my. Oh my gosh. That actually might sell. But, like, deletion 10. The Sweden logo might sell. Same with this. Anaheim. This might sell. This, I wouldn't think so. Leg, I'll do it anyway. It might sell. This, I'll quick sell. Same with this. First 2 packs, not so good, huh? Sending this to my collection. Ah, shoot. Not going so good. I haven't got one play over 81. Oh my gosh. So no Farley, Giroux, or Kessels, because they obviously giving me back stuff. Oh, give me Farley tattoo. Oh my gosh. Holy. Nope, not Kessel. Oh, come on, you gotta give it to me. Come on, give me a fly like that too. Oh my gosh. Kopitar? Okay, we'll go with Kopitar. Whew. Come on, something good. Please, 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 please. Please, EA, don't screw me over. Oh my gosh, Tyler Wingles. Oh my gosh, you've got to be kidding me. Oh my, this might sell, I don't know for what, but I don't want him. Captain Colored probably will sell. So send it to my trade pile. Leg, yes, maybe. Send this to my trade pile. And this 9. The rest, no, I was quick sell this torso. And the rest, I'll keep. I have this guy? I don't know. Quick sell him. So, I basically just wasted 15K. I told you how to waste 15K in 5 minutes, kids. Nope, not quick. Datsuns. We're going for Datsun. Okay. Here it is. Last pack. Oops. Okay, let's go. Please. Please, something good. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Oh my gosh, no. Oh my gosh, you've got to be kidding me. Now did it freeze? I think my game froze. Nope. Oh my gosh. So good though. I just wasted 20K. Back to my trade pile. So good. Keep him. Now send all this to my trade pile. I'll be lucky if I get 5K back for all this. Oh my gosh. What's up? You gotta be kidding me. Really mad. Okay. So, if I get back another 5K, I'll open another pack. Okay? So guys, thanks for watching and have a good day.